Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of networking with TP-Link AC1200 router. If you are looking for a reliable and fast router for your home or office, this video is for you. Let's start with design and build quality of the TP-Link AC1200. It features a sleek and compact design, perfect for any modern setup. The build quality feels robust and durable, ensuring it can handle everyday use without any issues. Okay, when it comes to performance, the TP-Link AC1200 does not disappoint. With its dual band capabilities and speeds of up to 1200 Mbps, streaming activities, online gaming, and multiple device connection are a beast. I have personally experienced smooth and lag-free performance across all my devices. Now let's talk about some of the standout features of this router. It offers robust security features like parent controls and cache network options, ensuring a safe and secure boosting experience for everyone. The capability with VF device and option for USB connectivity make it a versatile choice for any home network setup. Setting up the TP-Link AC1200 is a beast thanks to its intuitive setup, wizard, and mobile app integration. The user interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it accessible for users to all levels. Whether you are tech enthusiast or a beginner, you will find the setup process smooth and hassle-free. Okay, let's final thought and conclusion. In conclusion, the TP-Link AC1200 router is a fantastic choice for anyone in need of a reliable and high-performance networking solution. Its sleek design, robust features, and seamless user experience make it a standout option in its price, and I highly recommend checking it out if you are in the market for a new router. Okay, you can see this for same at Ethernet, which give you 100 Mbps. Okay, then if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Also, free to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any question you may have. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.